Okay, we are live. I'm live right now. Hold on. Let me double check. Yes, I'm live. So today for my live, the discussion is 孝顺父母孝顺父母和爱国家孝顺父母和爱国家 What is the connection between the family and the country? Obedience to the parents and the family, and love for country. 爱国家孝顺父母 Alright? With everything that's going on right now, there's so much panic, chaos. Calm down, everyone calm down. 孝顺父母 sa amin na talagang sa Chinatown lumaki, nag-aral sa mga Chinese school, nakapag naintindihan yung mga ganitong kasabihan. 孝顺父母 malalim yan. Ang interpretation ng best Chinese teacher, si Ling Xian. Ang Ling Xian, ang sabi niya, military. Sa bahay, your papa is the general. Ang mama mo, dalawa ang role niya. Drill sergeant na siya, commander pa siya. Nakakapagod yun. Kayo, wala kayong mga karapatan. Maliliit pa kayo, sundalo kayo. You just say, yes mama, yes papa. Alalahanin ninyo kung ano sinabi ni mama, sinabi ni papa. Ang naalala ko, sabi ni mama Isyang lang akong itawag sa imo maha, kay di maayo iladlad og kinsa ka. Di maayo. Sabi ni Mama Isyang, bulahan ang mga buang na itambal, pero ang dali lang mataranta, madaling manervyos, o ang mga tanga, wag yun na itambal, matiguwang na lang na, wag yun na, why nada. Let me try to interpret in Tagalog first. Bulahan ang mga buang. Blessed are the fools, kuno yung may sayad talaga ba? Yung may sayad ba? Yung nagagamot ng psychiatrist kuno. Kasi daw may gamot, they have medicine. But for those who are tanga, all of us we understand kung ano yung tanga, stupid, idiots, at saka yung tarantada, yun yung term ni mama, tarantada, yung madali manervyos, kasi natataranta daw kaagad. Gumawa siyang sarili niyang Tagalog word, tarantada, tarantado. Genius yan si Isyang Mga anak niya masipag lang mag-aral, pero si mama talaga ang genius. Wala ito talagang gamot dyan. You'll get old, you'll reach 50, 55. May production ka, pero napakaliit lang ng production mo. She wasn't talking about money, she was talking about life in general. So, maliit pa ako, yan yung paulit-ulit na para talaga siyang broken record. She sounded like a broken record. Now, I think I'm gonna be the one who's gonna sound like a broken record too. Now, yung ganyang deep respect and culture of obedience inside the home is possible if both parents are also disciplined and righteous. Yung karespeto din si nanay, si tatay. 'Diba? So that's 孝顺父母. We're talking about normal functional families here. My late father, Edwin Te, and my mama Isyang. Isyang lang yun ka ma ha. Sorry ma, love you. And then let's connect it with her. Her is and. I 国家. I love 国家 country. I only have one country ha. May passport ako next time. I can show my Philippine passport. I am Filipina. Bisaya kay ko. Perte, yun ako Bisaya Gianak ko sa Brokenshire. Brokenshire din sa Davao City Hospital. Chinatown Davao ko nagdako. Monteverde Street, may baby pa ko. Davao Chonghua ko nag-eskwela, katabi ng Gaisana Mall, Davao City. Now, it is very related to love of country because we voted for these public servants. I'm not gonna yap. Reklamo. Kasi I do have a class at 10 o'clock. Pero, we're just gonna test the tools, the online classrooms for a group class. So yeah, it is very much related dahil the president, the first family, they are considered as the role models. President, the father. First lady, the mother of the family, the whole country. We got, if I'm not mistaken, 120 million children. But they're not really children. I mean, let's face it, right? How can we practice that same culture of obedience and respect when we really know and we are not blind? I'm 42. I was born May of 1982. I do not believe in what they say. History repeats itself. Yes. Dragon dumplings. Please. Sila Timothy te ata ani. Timothy Zachary te ani. Masarap ito. Hindi dahil te. Kapilido ko. Pero masarap talaga siya. Try nyo lang. Mga taga Davao na mismo magsabi, alam nila iyan. So yeah, how are we going to practice that same culture when we know for sure na si mama at si papa maraming naneknok na kwarta at ang so-called children na hindi naman talaga mga bata, pahirap ang ating kalagayan. My mom graduated in the University of Mindanao, accountancy major yan siya. So sanay na sanay ako sa pagtago ng resibo, ganyan. I was just maybe 4 or 5. Nakikita ko na yan si mama, paano gumawa ng grocery list, paano yung budgeting niya. And we have Teresa Rose sa Filipino Guerrilla Forces sa amin dito sa Southern Mindanao who will do that for us. Kitang-kita ko yan si mama. Takang-taka ako dyan. Lahat ng sukli, lahat ng sinsilyo. What is sinsilyo? Coins. What is sinsilyo? Tagalog. Barya. We have to keep it. We have to show it to her. Explain. And then when we were like a little older, I understood how to do it. Like keep receipts. Kasi we just really have to show it to her, explain. Little did I know, like right now I realized that was for transparency. And wag tayong maglokohan ha. Kayo pinipeke ninyo yung mga ano natin ha. Lahat ng economic chucho na nilalabas ninyo sa mainstream media. Mali ang nasa GDP growth na sinasabi ninyo. NEDA yung 20-something per mil. Naku naman. Maling-mali yan. And let's go back to respect. How can you do that? Wala. You will get nothing from us. We cannot love the first family, Mama and Papa, Mama Liza, Papa Baby M. No, you are not a tiger from the north. I will not call you Coca, Palaka, whatever. I'll make it cute. Kero-keropi. Sanrio. Kero-keropi. Yung basta Sanrio yan eh. Sanrio yan. Kinda looks like Palaka, Baki. Yun. Tapos, I'm not really agitated, but you have been called so many names. Ang pinakasikat I know is Liza Tanas. But yes, I know only exorcism will cure your family. If you allow the Christian community to do that, why not? Para magsiliparan na ang masamang espiritu sa Malacanang. Diba? And then number 2, how can we practice TLC, tender loving care? There's so much anger right now because of the so-called ignorance na sinasabi ninyo na, hindi, mali yan kasi ang sabi ng NEDA, ang sabi ng ganito, we are not children. We're adults. We know how to do proper research, analysis. Come on, man. Baby M. I wish I could send some diapers for you because you really are like a baby. Stop it, dude. Not us. Alright? Stop it. Let's talk about profit. Lahat gusto ng... What is profit in Tagalog? Sa Bisaya, basta kay ginansya. Mag-usap tayo ng ginansya, ha? Kasi inchik itong pinapanood ninyo eh. Inchik Bisaya ako eh. Dabawin niya ako na inchik. It says here, for the first time, let me try doing, oops, I still cannot find the, still cannot find the screen share button. Let me just open my Bible here, ha? Alright, Bible. It's in James chapter 1, verses 2 to 5. Let's talk about profit. Para kahit na walang ginansya ang bulsa natin, may ginansya tayo, may profit tayo, spiritually, emotionally. So, profiting from trials. Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds. So, we have to be happy when we go through trials, pagsubok, testings. Because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. In other Bible versions, patience. Let patience or perseverance finish its work so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything. Para tayo ay mag-mature, maging complete, walang kulang, not lacking anything. If any of you lacks wisdom, lahat naman tayo, magkukulang tayo sa wisdom na yan. Because we are human, born to make mistakes, sabi nung kanta. You should ask from God, who gives generously. God is very generous, mapagbigay. He just gives us whatever we need. It's not whatever we want, but whatever we need. God who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. So whenever we ask God, God, this is what I need, God will give it to you, and God will not look at your mistakes. God will not tell you, ay hindi muna, hindi ko ibibigay yan, kailangan mo na yan. Kasi kahapon, nagsinungaling ka sa mama mo. Ang sabi mo, ang punta mo ay sa group study, pero nakipag-date ka sa boyfriend mo. Ganon. I never did that to you, ma. Promise, ma. I never ever did that. When I was studying, of course. But I was a little different when, after I had my diploma, ma. So, ganon. It's 9:47. Alright, let's just, chill, relax, pray. Today we might just be victorious. Today we might have a new president. Chill, relax, pray. Chill, relax, pray. So yeah, the culture of respect, obedience, it stays in the home. As for the national leaders, sadly, a lot of the local leaders too, evaluate yourselves again before you ask us to respect you. So yeah, that's it. That's my life for today. I gotta communicate with the headmaster of the school in China. Bye.